In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email address to your Gmail account and Google account. This should be a quick and easy process video, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. In order to add a recovery email address to your Gmail, all you have to do is click your profile icon at the top right, as you can see here, then click on Manage Your Google Account. After that, just go ahead to the left side where it says Security. Go ahead and click on it. Then scroll down in the middle, as you can see, and click on it to add your recovery email. After that, just go ahead and type in your Gmail password in order to do that. So go ahead and do it. After you do that, all you have to do is give it a moment to load, so you can add your recovery email right here and click on Verify. Go to the email address you added here, click on Verify, and you should be good to go. So this was how to add a recovery email address to your Gmail account. As always, thank you for watching.